McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's kitchen abusuan for aduane pa ede adehimai me chechiamo medamo ase se moya krado se mo beje metata abram de aduane pa ebramu yi nyame hyiamo nyina medamo ase ba bia mo hwe me free bia no nyame hyiamo sa na me de aseda ne nhira kase ema me sponsors high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Tasty Tom, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, na vitamin E kra ma ye ni no na ni nyina ka bo ma boost your immune system no and no kwenti na make am for Tasty Tom ama wo sa na me da awake purified drinking water, one for life. Awake nie awake 750 ml no me srawo say wo top Kasi sa do a 10 packs ya the 1 pack chow kwa na awake gusu akra no boshe mo cardio center saba ko bia beto bia na kambom eyim so ede kwa yemmoa nyame enhira awake ya damu ase sa na me da launcher kitchen ase say wa ma me jade kama me da me ho adida bia kire we launcher nyame nhram abusua magi de yenim no magi say magi wodwaso magi ene na atla ye free da ye ma me ye nana mo penso na magi na ye penso de magi wasesam wa ye no magi de shrimp na wom na nya no nko an ye de amma ne adwene aka on ama garlic eno nti etowaduane mu a na ye de magi me damo ase me da royal aroma rice ase royal aroma rice ye mu a empress me de me ho akodon wo mu me no ma nante ache na se say de magi atum kese pa eno nti me kanfo ama royal aroma rice na mammo no sana say ye fe no me da Borges olive oil ase Borges de number 1 olive oil e the world and until me can form out no cholesterol oil Borges onyame won shamo pa me da royal kitchen official say so mama chance papa mam de ayeduan royal nyame shamo delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti nyame shamo me da mo ase me pa cha busuan empress me pa cha and me be body ko Instagram from it ebesi matade e hye me omunyina wo ho beauty bow salon and spa so do tinu kokwa ombe sisi ombe ya wig ama wa wo de so mbe kama ne asa massage oye omtibi be fie so eno ti beauty boy nyame sham Aligina makeover as usual munim dada sana Nicoline GH Nikoso ashamatade me be sa me sramo na me twa me ho ba enko ba bia o enko ba bia me ba sisi a McBrown's kitchen aduane pa
In 1967, High Sense at the Sucray Bosom said, Yadia, ya bay home appliances, a ye papa, none bo at that from Ama Crankra, I will reassert for Nangina. High Sense, Yadia, the Wagway, I want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buanipa, a walk on your singing house, and the Nama Mimusawe, a dear Ben Sana we here, refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a monogra, to an ammonefako High Sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya diane water from Pato. A fancy a GM would you say any of my papented? High Sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Ye initial one when you did that, into ye see one from. Now, that dear will honor to the bass and swat. You see you come, and your may papa. And your ma efe. If you your ma and saying in a mahmoudin. Another High Sense, yeah. High Sense
351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What
are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello Ghana, me mama kwaba McBrown's kitchen eduane pa ede abusua makato se we musician a wonyum nam di intro na yes ni fo ne amobo yenim se this e kwotro po amoma ho eno ti DJ and nipa me ne baba ye eduane no oye nyunto ni oye young musician I mean we love him DJ let's go Hey! Much pass. Yeah, much pass. Hey! Oh, we're running Empress. We're running. You're quite no best sign. Let's go here. Obia Catro so abobo. What I told you so pen.
Yeah, me so.
Hey. You can't see. Obia Catro so abobo. Yo. Ko na me examine ko ni say. What they come from trousers and snake on papa na new current kaka. What don't pay you na say we abobo.
Yeah, no one.
Ready. I told you so da.
Yeah.
When never free hair kwaje akwaba.
Oh yeah.
I told you so.
And I think you tell me so. No bossy,
McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Bosom P-Yung.
Mommy, mania de semashao.
Wow.
Mania de semashao.
When he come.
Oh, umuni oka. Where did describe?
Yeah, me who say I cross I branto so I call
me a bosom.
Okay, you are right. No, you are right, P-Yung, you are right. Oh, yeah, bosom mampa. Because the ento say.
What's I say?
Akwaba.
Yeah, mommy.
And then the waba McBrown's kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, me ba na do ni help be wash me.
I'm feeling blessed.
Me baby pepe wasem.
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
Na do go school.
Shouts to him.
Shouts to him, shouts to you. And I do ampe me no. Akwaba.
Yeah, mommy.
Me da asese waba. McBrown's kitchen na ye be no aduane me boa.
Okay.
Ye be no aduane. Ai.
Aduane pa.
Ede. Ye be no aduane pa. Enu ntia busua me de ma de bi abramo. Ai, Bosom P-Yung. Hey. Wrong.
Asana me chono kai we. Ye fe no utu no ku.
Ah, uchi bibi.
What is it? Uchi noko.
Hey, baby, wow, baby, I do that was ya be wo
For real.
McBrown's Kitchen. Madam was say, some me sink he say I know who say a hand washing segment. Now tested Tom say me koswana, me fan boy mama, yen na nkaka ho say COVID-19. En she ba kwa, e betumi aboa boy ho ban say brebi e be ho yensa. Ah, ye be fa sem na aka ho, ya ka yensa bom ya ho yensa ntem, ba bia ye mo wrem na ye de ahye ensu etena se. Said ye be ya, efim bia wo yensa, e betumi ade akọ. Na ne nyina mu ka say, ye be didi ye be bibia yen kai. Ya royal sano na the sanitizer ka ho tasty tom and rich tomato mix ya da mo ase make out say tasty tom there no need to us papa no because vitamins na wo no e boy immune system ho ban na COVID-19 so yetumi akon atia ne ye ya da mo ase tasty tom bosom ya na me ya di o aka ho bosom.
Oh, baby, I'll bet mine a bosom. Some doors of one man gang.
Matia, wow. Senior bosom. Say, ye be ye diane bay. Me show near my wahaya. Definitely cocoa and beans.
Oh, share your friend is saying apparatus.
Yes.
And I'll share ingredients. And I'll share eglogus. Miana me for Miss Abrofon.
Okay,
eglogus na. Just say, no mana, utimu say, ye baba ye. Adibia a lunch, what I say, a lunch, what I'll be feeling.
Okay, that's the way you need supper. Bet
me I didn't supper, bet me I didn't breakfast when I got, but Osha, me prefer a area. What I say,
okay,
mostly, what I say, yeah, and to know, who should we are?
Yes,
Nicola Netasawa, Pepe.
And your friend say, Coco.
What I say? Who ma the crummy money, dear, and a long talk. And I will so when I mean. Accoutrement.
Okay.
I know say bro for me am I.
Oh,
what I say? Beans.
Okay.
So yeah, baba ye beans with cocoa
with accoutrement.
Accoutrement or apparatus or ingredients.
Matthias.
What I say? Na if we so a gari. What I say? Na one man ma. What I say?
Mansoa. Ya wo ye sakura nti me bu. Bosom, where dear when none of my yantra.
Debut, I confused. Hey, oh, wow. Oh, man, video if I didn't tap a minimum. No, pay. No, could see. So, yeah, baby, beans with cocoa.
Beans with cocoa.
Yeah.
But also, Mamma never and also ha.
On sober 5.
On sober 5. Delay macros to be cool. On their money.
And Auntie Maggie.
What did Auntie? Tetano ya kasto be the auntie and I say fear no. When you are what damn pine. In the Auntie Maggie who here.
Miss my friend, mammy, Auntie Crown.
Auntie,
only one of you are a pine.
If you are a pine, but Bosom P-Yung. You have no corny beans. Into your best starting the same.
I prefer say best start to be beans because I need to take it long process before it's cooked.
And I said the autonomous are here. Because who said they do maybe I said robot.
What I mean breaking up. What I say? I may take a long process before you.
And the end can see that. All right, I mean, mom, see what?
All right, mommy, so.
That's express me no.
Miss a gangway.
Matuasi.
Busy, Yana, a chin super and
okay.
A tear for near her for. Some more shables of mom, so the young woman in your brain. That's how Tibet.
Okay, because they beans.
What you say?
Aye.
Okay.
Into Bosom.
Mommy.
I said, yet the Ghana Hayani who is an enemy and say, I be a PA, I see the Bosom.
Pray.
You're going to hire what?
Pray.
So, who are you?
And when I can, what I say, Bosom, no, I am the same name. What I say?
I say name.
I am a traditional name. More traditional name, more religious name.
Okay.
More say name. More street name.
Okay.
More dream name. My dream name is Akufo-Addo. Me wish say my president.
Oh, sir.
What I say?
And street name here.
Adrora.
I was for me Ediane.
Okay.
I was almost ready. Me yam system.
Me stretch mommy.
Sir.
She bosom the onion na adekwa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Intin me person me bisa say. Enyom ba kupe no atadwa no. E na mo qualify na no gina McBrown's kitchen.
E na mama qualify you.
Started say music career and started saying.
Oh, music career started when I was very, very young. What I say, I always had passion to do music. What I say, at my younger age, I started falling in love with music. So, yeah, I started falling in love with music, honestly. And before I realized, I started doing it on my own. What I say, now more Walkman, beat it, Walkman, no.
Yeah.
The Mriku cassette was so now my head, my cassette guso, rather from Bonichem. Maybe assassin we can. What I say, and before I realized,
you know what's saying on I can we wrap it.
And before I realized,
okay, thank you. Me too.
Na me who voice me recording mo na me tin back na mani age. So I started like, yo, these are my toys. When I manage home, this is my field. So I started working on it. Until after SE10 na me then.
Okay.
Me find the serious span 2013. Yeah.
Into okay now.
Yeah. That's 7 years ago. Mami Kataso. I did one Kataso there in Huruntem.
Nti akwa hefa.
Nigga no. Homie we madam for no. Hey. My baby mu. Man from far here.
Fafa.
Nse.
No yet bedding.
Me pese di guso.
Okay.
Nse ding. Ba bi mu di gusto num dare ba. Yes ana. Obe when they say plantain chips or stew num.
A bedding.
Yes, a bedding.
It would na ba.
Say na be being tem what I say. Combination. Me pese me boom. What I say and la. What I say na be to toyi. What I say.
Nam dey pass e kum sisi esa nka ba wi ni nyina.
What I say.
Inti no. O kan hihye mo ho. Eno kra ehu.
Yeah.
Beans we so dey enchebene. So P-Yung, ye dey beans asiso. Ye dey ama ne na gum. Unkwa style dey.
I mean Bosom style.
Oh sorry.
Yeah.
Bosom style matia.
Yeah.
All right, inti say ye kwan fa.
Young get back to the stew na nkasa no. What I say. Ye me pese blend tomatoes ne we na nkasa eden.
Okay.
Yeah, intimi na
e blend bi afagu we.
Wow.
Yeah. Enti P-Yung, yendi nkomo. Utwitwa ade yi. Ufri hen.
Me fi Brekum, Brown Half region.
What you be ni?
Yeah, Duanaja.
200% BA.
100%.
Me friend so.
Oh wow, doma. Hey, mommy ampa. Oh wow.
Me ma me free.
Wow. Ne ma shia wa.
Ana ye wo hen fa.
Ye wo me Brekum.
Uko school
Brekum. Yeah, every GHS wo Brekum.
Ena be den kan.
Me ko and crime about school so one crime.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, University of Ghana. Ebe suya politics.
Obi o fe be say na ono na mo betu ya school.
From 2015 to 2019.
I'm asking a question somebody would want to ask you.
Okay.
Intino what we illegal?
Oh, my way.
Oh, P-Yung.
For real, mommy. I ain't
come
lying,
on, man.
Mommy.
Big up, man.
It's a me who Oh, kakra. Me more than kakra. My brother pa.
I'm just kidding. Wow,
okay. Okay.
Inti ba second you going?
Me ko Kumasi me tena ho kakra. Me pe Kumasi.
Uni tell me this sound. Want to say Brekum, wo fans wo Brekum.
Yeah.
Definitely because I want to. And you better see Kumasi say come for support you.
Uni say Kumasi na nkasa no mama me feeling me dreams no like they want to push me because Kumasi na SHS no hono. Me ko no na mo pema sempa Kumasi for Asante for the no.
Much.
The love
too
was too
nice.
much. Mani je ho what I say. So that me so bebre na Kumasi.
So, what if I some better? But you over blend bia come.
For real.
Bosom pa. Where the bosom with your kojade.
Ve, ja.
Me pese me bo onyum foforo. Me bo dey.
Omo e fene se mafi odo yewu.
What DJ boss anyun mame. Wow. Inti akade.
Let's add pepper. A little bit of it. What I say? Yeah. Oh, pepper.
Me, we need me to be bibia.
Oh, wow. And you queer way.
Hey!
Hey! Mafia, do you?
Let's go.
Mafia. Yanti makonana. Ochiro ko start enkwe. Enti me frawa ya ufa. Se wumpe ni biesu enye. Hey! Umbe yesa kumna se masan. Me say, go waiting fiti no me san. I decided say next year I'll get you a ring.
And if I ring,
you finger to obi or what you think. I come in kwa wa. Yeah, my favorite song, I always see you. Hey, Mafia. Bounce.
Thank you, DJ. me blend them out.
Yeah, blend them out with needs. What I say? Eh, mommy.
Into me blend them.
Me patron.
Okay. Ebusiam pap cho ye di nkomo de ba se duane no ana egusu a.
Yeah.
Yeah, no ano. Wow.
Okay.
All right. Bosom mewie.
Yeah.
Nti ye there,
Akwa bi wo pa me feeling ne pa nimu aya na enye guy. Momone no. Nti me pese ye de ye back to still na ne ade nti ye mfa ngo no me nya chance me pa cho.
Oh. De bu nya chance be nya ship.
Oh. Ship so.
Ship. Nti no ye start a bean stew.
Yeah.
Bean stew there obi be ka so obi anim ye but es no said obi aye no.
This is Bosom Star, aka
Edrora.
What you say?
Aye. Edrora.
Well, engu koko unim the function na museum of school.
Debbie.
It helps clear vision.
Oh, okay.
What you say two and so ye. Ntina ya me prefer we nti vision aside na me yakra me sua na me say no engo de me pepper. What you say for clear vision ye two and so.
Now so call the gonso ko here.
Me call political science so and information studies. Yeah.
Nti ano na wo de ko e wo de ye adwuma sese.
Ama me nyansa ne nim de EP what you say but me pese me de me further me education no more not in Ghana because well you say Ghana school ne dey e beto aso later assassin e beto aso later. So me pese me further no but not in Ghana here. What I say ma me mfa money no so nye den. Entum.
Nti e money ne kom.
For real.
Okay. Now what's the next step? Bosom Star.
Bosom Star no sa we eye bibia what I say engwe mango no mu yhwam.
Oh, okay.
What I say je
ne but na na me ni asem.
Mango no e mo yhwam.
Now Bosom. Sese wo beka say we musician na onyum sing.
Me wanyum bebre what I say any features am asan den. Aye me mind what I say any gidi bia about utimu say I have a whole lot of songs what I say.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, bibi ekukomo. Okay.
What I say.
A whole lot of songs nti sign out.
I think it's more than 5 or 6.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's more than 5. So I have Fordonium, I have Bema, with Kokusmo Cracky Gang 2. I have Uhuso. What I say? And before that, no, so answer na tadwa no eba out no me album, and also 9 songs.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Who anyum da?
Yeah.
Na how many tie?
Oh, Sanu.
Because yante.
Team. Me album no na tadwa na was so.
Okay.
Timo nyumbu wo no ma. Esan wo online but omo mu di machi pan. Enenam e wo boom play na 150,000 streams. Okay. What I say, mommy, we ain't playing. You know it.
No, I know. I'm so proud of you, impressed so far because you hear what you colors no. And then my no. Minim what because I said don't know oversized.
Oh, I like wearing big things. What I said. I was influenced by the old people. Okay. What I said. Book back more. Timothy name fit.
Yeah.
Into what I say. I did a person you know and they say when you na person.
No, from the dada.
Yes, into no me one my dem my feel what is sentinel.
Mate pa hene mate.
Chef Shenko moves.
Matthias here. Why? And I like your movement, you know.
Oh, your man is space, it's social distance. That's a tissue anywhere. It's embarrassed.
Oh, okay. To say that now, person.
What I say? What I say? What feeling?
Oh, there's a beans to corner anymore.
Oh, beans here.
Na so
bean cry. Na so I'm
I knew you would do the same mistake. I knew it. Say an open now, say Emre Kakaka home.
Me penny say perfect.
Until Yendum Jana, yeah.
Oh, Yendum Janum.
P-Yung.
More fans.
And they say Emre students, more money no home.
Oh, Mammy man kobo 2 kakra. So, baby, you know. What you say?
Yeah.
You be here.
And fast I'm a woman.
Oh. Woman. Daddy.
Even here. Who any can?
Your friend is sauce.
Who any can draw?
Sauce nana me.
Ah.
Whoa. Oh,
okay. I was saying, being still none, you go to a air corner. Tajua. And then they inspire my boss, I know my Tajua.
A broken heart, too.
It was real.
When you're broken heart, hey, when you're broken heart, dear, you.
Nice, what's some man and now can.
Hey, Masempa, I rehosem.
Or this year by your dream.
Me perceive to chat cocoa fresh. Mommy, with your babu amion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meboa. Meboa, uncle.
Fabumba kun.
Hey,
Fasekan, as a China phone. Fabumba kun. Yabeku, anyway, never bakun. Fabum.
Any science.
Shanku fool.
Hey, my grandma said, no. Me, shall be a beauty to make. Now I want to tell that, Timon. I fear okay.
Hey, if you knew, well, come there, dear, if you know who, and easy. I will be come share. Oh, dear.
Now, bedroom can enter to
still now, scan I penny nurses can until make us a stone. I come dear. No, what I say, yeah.
I would say, yes, too, Nana, you go so no, your beans and so dear, making and I come. Aye, and no come and near man and no near. Now, cause you out by name. Cause, oh, you been no Cosiano. You been no Cosiano. It's me fancy good as Mr. Wadaro. Can you would a chicha cocoa and me focus on division of labor? Ah, teacher. Namanyama. Oh, your guy. Oh, your guy. No, mommy also a guy. Hey, mommy, the way Mr. Pewasem no, now mamma need just what I say. Ni who no man Casancasa, mania just among whom because what I say, I was dreaming to see you. Wow. For real, mommy. Hey, was so. And I was saying, hey, where has on to? So original wokoto ute wafi suntodo ute wafi suntoko Tim, sweating under AC. MP judge my referee. Sweating under AC. Time and judge my referee. Young guy. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Where are you? Now you be and I'm never been con. Yes, that means I'm talented. What I say, Ghanaians shouldn't sleep on me, for real. What's it? Ghanaians shouldn't sleep on me. Ghanaians shouldn't sleep on you. For real. For real, Lampa. Okay. What I say? Mutino. Kosiano. Hey. All right. And so no crash. Kosia dear. Aye. Yeah, ni pamian Sunday. What did you have any problem? No, back home. Kosia dear. What I say about. And you know me and because any pamian Sunday. Any pamian Sunday. And you have extra and 2 mana. Then you 4. I am an extra. Whoa. I was saying dear Kosiano Friday. SE10. So on him say coconut beans dear. Kosia ka ho aya na ye de fresh ye de ai ntp mommy se aka de kokon no wawie ya wie kokon no beans abene stew abene eno ase be twa ma stew no mu atwe ho atwe kakra eno nie se atwe oh ampa what I say ampa be twe nti ye be twa ma na atwe nti no ada obe de o kan hwe ye ketua bi oh okay P-Yung, when you bosom, when you spirit, into spirit, a mistake, baby. Oh, mommy, me here, you know, Maggie. Auntie Maggie, baby, I will be a brat. Oh, wow, I like that. Auntie Maggie, yeah, Auntie Maggie, Auntie Maggie, and you know, back home, cool. Okay. Mammy, be not the Maggie tuning crime, one bubumo. Or see, we and any. It's the Maggie the dead. Ako ye stew nimu. Nani abranti o num. It's oh wow. Yeah, na obenya. I'll need salt. You need salt. I'll need salt. And your salt. Definitely. It's the enchine. Ako ye stew nimu. Aye. After Maggie the dead ba kono. Enchina bem. Ebe kan enchine so ahwe. Oh, what was some way a guy? Oh, maybe a guy. I went across the bosom. What I say? Aye. Wow. To be kind say you okay.
Sa pepe.
Who beans to any da ho?
Oh, I need that.
I need also McBrown.
What I say, and I say TV be a minimum.
UTV.
What I say? Oh wow.
Wow, we see McBrown's kitchen na ogusa wo hwe na onim bibi. Abrantepa ogusua ne stew a. Wokoso a wonu mo stew no na me kai wo say high sense adaroma na mtumi de McBrown's kitchen bro. Tasty Tom, delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Sana me da launcher kitchen I say. Maggie de Royal Aroma Rice. Royal Kitchen were official. And a Borges and awake. Me sponsors in here. And until this time the master mommy share the no. Bosom.
Mommy.
You're doing here because it looks like we still know.
Enchebe bing. Ya do baby enchebe bing. What I say?
Vegetables ni mwachi kama.
What's the center no?
Metepa.
Jaja tu.
Metepa.
Tu.
Inti.
Udim. Udim. Yemfa sardino.
Mackerel delay.
Wow.
Delay mackerel.
Oh, the best.
Aye. Delay. The gum.
Oh.
Okay. Wabosom. We shall space me numpo na usuro wani.
Hey.
Ahom na don't want to be protected wani.
Hey, Abosom for the menu money. No, mami frying pan na me nche kokoro no.
Na nche kokoro no. Na time na beans no be costume.
Ko me num ketwe bi wa hu. Na me the beans no so ayden. Oh, straight.
Oh, okay.
Straight.
Ejanos ayo.
Yeah, oh yeah, no more.
Abusia Bosom P-Yung. Ye nyina ye dono.
What you say?
Ataju enti. Ataju man broken heart and kenim no. Enti e nyame ase. Say ataju man broken heart. Bosom P-Yung.
What else? Oh, more fans.
Bosom P-Yung.
More fans.
Edrora.
Oh, na mitiada.
Bubadin mam na mfama.
Kunduru man. Oh, ni patuntu man, ni trimu yetum.
Okay, ni patuntu man, ni trimu yetum na ni trimu yako.
What about waka? The new Moses. AKA Black Moses. What else? Men at Ghana music ni say me church ro mo kwan.
Oh, okay. We no cry touch no.
Obiada.
We are bokra we cry touch chire go.
Obiada the new Moses.
Wow. Moses. Never can count. Okay.
Come the boys.
Come the boys. Aye. Bosom P-Yung.
More fans.
Wow.
More fans. Yeah, I like it.
Okay, we say for ye beans stew na ye guso na. Pi me ma o frying pan no.
Yeah, na me nche kokoro.
Na ye check it. Your egg no so. Because I read them did say akona nim ye.
Me sure so mo abonti woni na artist stew ni sento.
We stew no dey enye bad o. A beans stew gobe. We enye street gobe.
No.
We home gobe.
What I say rich gobe.
Rich gobe.
What I say?
Rich gobe.
What I say?
Hene.
Bibi edi adanse.
Mpasha me no frying pan is.
Oh wow.
It's me ma.
Na yam fanchi. Popping is a champagne.
Yeah. Nti. Ye kokko na na egusu aye. Ye gari no dia han. Edina no gobe. It gari no e was stand by. E wa han. Ono de on shada nya active. Or active when ediane na ready no.
What I say?
Wano hot no baby. Etwen. Nti ye be che ye kokko, ye beans no so e na sija so no. E na ye kokko ye kosuane so aye ready. Nti P-Yung.
Mom.
You better not commercial break.
Oh, young commercial break. All work and no play makes just a bubble.
DJ Bominum back then for commercial break. Yamo dear him.
Yamo catch a gang, ball belt, and no we were home. Me bomber more higher places now. They are not responsible. As suffer for money responsible. Lawyers or money responsible. Because a ball belt tie. If you catch a gang, ball belt. Catch a gang, I know I can say ball belt. Catch a gang.
Ball belt.
That means a ball belt. Be responsible. Be decent. Every place you are.
Oh, okay. DJ, what mommy ball belt in the catch a gang? Okay. Brandy say, no.
Sanu me wan. Your friend is zero.
Okay.
Wow, a zero. Wow, I said, no, I don't. What to born? What to born now? No, I tested.
Oh, Jaisa.
Oh, no. What's your video there? Won't say. One ball.
No, chest. Na feel the affair. Hey, Massa. Won't you? I was ever. Yeah, tell one of us. See, I did my name conform. The idea, media go mama share. Me man tempt me. And you know, me go commercial break about your beats are ready. Yeah, I'm Borges. See, just so you could see so no way. Ye dian no way ye. Ye pewa, ye Gary wa. As you know, gobe. I wake Gobe by Bosom P-Yung, aka Dora, aka Edinido, so many of
Black Moses.
Black Moses. What's that? You tell one of us to see McBrown's kitchen. Ediana Pad, come on, tea.
Ediana Pad,
Ediana Pad, about to see.
In 1967, high sense and that's who cry Bosom said, Yadia, ya beya home appliances, a ye papa, none boy at that from Ama Crankra, I will reassure for Nangina. High sense, Yadia, the why I want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buanipa, a walk on your singing house, and the Nama Mimus away. A dear Ben Sana we here. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a monogra. To an ammonefako high sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya dear name water from Pato. A fancy and GM would say any of my papa. High sense a penny Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Yenny so one when you did that, into Yensi one form. Now, dear, we're on actually by some swat. You should see you come, and your mayor papa, and your ma F. If you your ma and saying in a more ding, and on the high sense, high sense
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain, I'll check it.
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there line. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pa edef. Ebusia for me mama kwa baba edition time. Sabre no waje so selango because edition baby ediane abade ni nyina ye de. When you say do Sabre edition time, that's where we get to appreciate your sponsors and your guests. And to me by me try to say sponsors me fa nyoma we nyina emma me guest. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. High sense sana meda tasty Thomas say Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. I will say me da launcher kitchen I say me da awake purified drinking water, me da delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Sana me da Royal Kitchenware official Ghana from Inchensen Papano. Me da Royal Aroma Rice I say and a Maggie de and sana Borges. Nyamishra na Sabre abrante pa ode ne kokko egu na nwam nti no me hwe se owie pe me twena ba ha na afi na chede a esefata no me dia danase P
mom
uguzo
me guso
well me
guso se fi ora bia yi no nkwan no
adora oh first Moses edin dos
black one ho
black Moses
oh dear
black Moses P-Yung
Mommy.
What Bosom bra?
Oh, me back.
I was saying that some McBrown's kitchen they say na ye no ma this year. And on to P nyama nyina ye wodia. Nyama nyina ye wodia. From Kasapre Consua, wonno mo akoma toy yem we nya no kra. Awake purified drinking water. Any royal drinks. Nana McBrown me drinks me the chew.
Oh.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Amen. Oh, Christ as some drink count Now here no kwa me ma chance yes set. A free Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. Instagram. Umu ho chance in me the chew. And I me mau rice cooker, a free high sense.
Whoa.
Rice cooker.
I want one soon.
I cook on this is the air no masama Maggie the dead.
Okay.
Set.
Okay.
Me ma bow. Me ma be Nestle near my be bry come on. Meaning now me patch me ma tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Yes, and tasty Tom jollof mix. And no soon mama delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Borges olive oil. Borges and then a vinegar. Na mama royal aroma rice.
I want one.
My yard, I want one. What's that come as into? I think I'm who's idea with
one premiere.
It's here. Na me say DJ, my anyum ne fanje McBrown's Kitchen fan tata when your friends say no Bemma
bia wo goes e won say ne Bemma bia petrol
let's go
Bemma nchiadare o Bemma mpadare o Bemma ifan yo
They am shooting on the DS Bemma we are real oh what about that money and your man this kayo
blessing things we am do what under the trap Bemma you not adio Bemma ni adadio pinky markup Bemma ntimi nantio
Bemma chini kwako
Bemma nani nadio Bemma minika tio Bemma ni time for fashion na go fi pull up with Charlie Watio you be chasing money 24/7 shells to park kwesio Bemma say wa bon
yeah thank you DJ thank you so much
wow
thank you DJ
wow
ade awaba mama me ase no de mi nyebe dan kwa
exercise why
too much my baby P-Yung
I'm here
wow why ne be me na class na yendidi a why you want to say wow akwa McBrown's Kitchen yeah friend was saying
what's your family now
it's in na our Instagram
what's my
I friend say ho
ny_click
ny_click wow, I was someone you shall me bay home, mammy. You're an over McBrown's Kitchen, did you at it? That's right. I was on bonfire, my name.
Umpire Pam in Boppa because what I say, every day that was every day that was to say, when my Yanuediane and Jumadi Bibia Coso Kama, every day, and then you only my
Erade o ma hira so mai e wo Yesu Kristo di mu aye bompae. Wadum ti. Amen.
Amen. Nanka osanka do o star no bompae.
Oh. And I puna mami aduane mami fili.
Erade fans no. I was ready. Grab it. And Coco. Oh, this is so nice. I was saying chain direct here no. Not much deco but no ma. And Sunny a guy in here. Anyway, and serve you be Ghana for moon show Empress. And ya diane na me po. Akono. Nti ebedidi dia de yebenya yi. Yes. Eni mada ho. Nje, vedem didi enti no da bia so. Obedidi awon ta be kunne ne fan na. Ko to betum ni nya asom. Ga go be.
Go be o.
Wow, go be ni edin ta jollof.
Let you sing.
Come on.
Let you set traba mass.
Okay, punchline. Wow. Me dey am dey. Na na yadi order. Go be there.
Come on.
Ni hiani su. Ni yantu onu.
No hiani su onu.
Go be there.
A week.
Hey, wo buy. Yo nana. And I want McBrown's kitchen.
Ne dey do me so.
Abeja Bosom P-Yung. Bisa chairman de da kuma so ne wasiya ni.
Bosom. Friends, among colors now. No, we are seeing now. What you soon wine and now they die with. Reason Tiana.
Reason pam. What you say? Na me pese me hu ye humo. Me pese me ye fresh boy. Ti na me kofa asa kala no. Me pese me se Bosom. What you say?
Adro de go to titu moja.
What you say? Drip nko bloody drip.
Now what space we have got this our space thing.
Well, ente me shasi aton me cheese no. What you say?
Hey. Sa
near de ba de.
Esun
Eso chengana. This is to me.
P-Yung aduane ye kama.
Me da say.
Me na me dig go be say burger no. Come ba. Anyway, Bosom.
Mommy.
Say waba. Uje tum sa Ghana for aje watum. Ana woda so gina konkon na no.
I think say I have lovers. I have most lovers. What I say? So I'm much focusing on the people that love me. But say most no epemasem. What I say? Most no epemasem and the Ghana for na epemasem to be too.
Wow. And your style is different. From Utri said them be you can. To tell your dress. To one young to. Ada. Then Tinama would decide that you are coming out not looking like somebody but wow.
And say obeya die bi awa hu. We have to learn a whole lot about it. What you say? People think music sometimes is about voice na ade. What you say na oh my voice yet there. No, there's a whole lot that comes with music to inspire or to even to change people's life. There's a whole lot.
Yeah.
The way you dress, the way you talk, even there's a whole lot. Me pacho what you say? Yes. Entina enubina ni steady a chira na me say no. A legend like Michael Jackson was say gloves bi ni ade and voice no kra na ye pen ansemu. There was a whole lot. Na me say no, I have to sit down and learn these things too. What you say? And now you should be able to say Lewin. And they are in your Lewin. On so buy no. On so de no maybe brave buy. Obi so na friend soldier boy. What I say? You what I say?
Yeah.
Quite there so buy. Book back mo buy. Obia than a star. E buy. But all the star bama. Who stay long rather than you copying somebody. Intimidating say, or more Saturday after Saturday blow up, ne ebi mu blow up no more me try so mu imitating no. They couldn't make it.
Yeah.
And now me find strategy be a way of a market or a tool of marketing. A better man for being human term. Then I picked a whole lot. What I say now me say a whole lot from the various artists who inspire me. What I say? So it's just an inspiration. What I say from the start.
Yeah, Matthias, but now I send it. The same kind of something. Just a gun of war. All right. It's for some kind of group. B. I don't know target one.
Yeah. Me pese me rush. What I say? Obu on pego boy any day on pego be. Obu on pemo any day on pemo. So I'm me who target group be me say me de ma or mo me num say no hu. Unim nyansa on pemo num. Unye intellectual on pemo num because me mix it brofo. The way me say I mix it brofo any tree no crowd from no. It's so different. Be what I say. Intino. Unyo be your pen no man answer what you want be say no, this guy is doing something different and I have to get addicted to it.
Yeah.
What you say?
My main rough. Wow. But I must say so style is different. From one guy Lord Pepper the way woman when the shade the feature when the so feature no so the year woman no you are doing good.
Thank you, Mom.
You are doing one must first white and one for so far.
Wow.
Please say pa then bio na yen expecting for you.
Me the album back. You be more can the tape, you be can EP. What I say, it consists of 9 songs. What I say, various artists.
When you say the over comedy can't say that.
Various artists be awesome. What I say, international arts, even our local arts, be awesome. Into my album now, me de band Ghanaians to watch up. Your friend is Sad Boy with love songs. Me no so I decided to give a whole lot of sad songs for Ghanaians. And you know, 1st October, Sad Boy with love songs is dropping.
Oh, so no, I just want team do a team. Oh, that's a what thing. Oh, so
oh, team, your team.
Oh, team, your team.
Oh, team, what?
Nana, what man?
Oh, me okay.
What about no team? You what's my chocolate? Me rasi in me, I stop for me at one. What the only thing can go back.
Mr. Gobe,
wow. Bosom, want to mean Quabra me missa with deep pa, the same. Kafra. With deep pa.
Kofuri. Mr. Ofuri, Prince, and then the full name.
Prince Ofuri.
The patron.
With the Prince Ofuri bank, I bet check. These are footballers name musician Prince Ofori.
Nanka me didi Chichi nanka me decide ni ba.
There be P-Yung ni better. P-Yung ni pa. P-Yung ni. P. I'm sure so about McBrown's kitchen.
I'm sure so for having me over here.
Yes, thank you so much.
Oh.
God bless you for
God bless you
your gobe. I'm sure so about what.
I'm sure so.
Now Renane. Me to me my own kwabra menche wo near me you ate. Je me ma hand sanitizer.
That's it.
Na we are waje apple cider you. JM Ado and Sons Borges for neton. Famienu ni tinu gun so hye bia mu nenom. Ebe bo ni pedi on say COVID one you. Chere say we guy. Nampa chow. High sense say me ma. Iron. I never told Niema. Sana Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. I do so. Some more chancing. Into buyer. One Niema nie. Annie. P. Miss hand sanitizer. The Nia na me chef.
Where dear?
Annie.
Oh, you hear more.
Me show.
You hear. Oh, wow.
We share mask. No, you did you wear the share mask.
Casapreco for dear.
Annie.
Oh.
Kasa what once. Nyame shra mu nyina DJ you ready say obema me atadwa na yemonyom ben.
That's what she requested for Yemona Tadwa.
Yemona Tadwa na yentimi fan pon show you. Me da maboafo ase high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, awake purified drinking water. Delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Sana me da Royal Kitchenware official Ghana say. Me da Borges olive oil for say. Sana me da Royal aroma rice. And a Maggie the dead. Onyame won shramo me sponsors na me shramo ebusuan sa me kan say anya kekao o say de wo pa bia mabodi bia wo kɔ hɔ na e papa me kan for mam ye be pon enu ti DJ why you ready there tajo ano a what you say masa to nsa ne ye na ogobe de wudi o say utimi tumirika 14 sa anya to why me nema wo why okay Ghana atajwa P-Yung here we go let's go now watch a debut at a refi hey then I'm really on the way you're moving way about hey you killing me I don't know what you do. You worth more than a Louis. Say my name, what you mean? I don't know what you're doing. Don't try to me, Judy. You worth more than a Louis. Say what you do, what you mean? You killing me. You killing me. I don't know. Well, baby, you know for a long time. See next week. Love you. That's all I love you.
McBrown's Kitchen, again the back door. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us soul. McBrown's Kitchen, again the back door. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us soul. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again the back door. McBrown's Kitchen.